Hello guys, welcome to Great with Forex once again. I'm gonna be teaching you a very nice strategy with the Heikin strategy. The Heikin is a very lucrative tool. It's a very good tool for you to use, filtering a noise off the chart for those who are, who are novice, who are newbies in Forex trading. This one's for you. Filter the noise, the peaks and troughs. You get really confused when you see price moving up and down. You get really confused. So they can actually really help you to really filter those things and just give you precise move of the market and where the market is heading to and what is really happening in the market, either bullish, the market trending bullish or going bearish. So the can actually really helps you. Well, in this strategy, I'm going to be showing you how we can, for those who need something to really give them some few bucks, like make some cool little cash out of the forex market. This one's for you, and I'm going to be using this thing. I'm going to be using the Akinashi and the Akinashi Smoothed. They are two different things. The Akinashi and the Akinashi Smoothed are two different things. This painted one here, let me zoom in. This midnight blue, or what they call it, is the Akinashi, and this is the Akinashi Smoothed. They serve two different purposes. I use the Akinashi Smoothed as form of like moving average. Then this I use it for the market move and market trend. So this strategy I'm going to be showing you how you can. This is one of my strategies I've been using time past. I've evolved. I'm using current strategy I'm using right now. There's a lot of strategy on my YouTube channel. You can come to my YouTube channel and you'll see a lot of strategies that I've been dropping. And this is one of them that I'm going to show you guys today. So you guys sit tight and wait. I'm going to do this video very quick and brief. If you don't understand, we can fix something up, like teach you and personally teach you how to trade forex market, how to use the strategy. So but if you go with it, all you need to do is practice and you back test. If you see that it aligns with your trading style, you can just use it. This is not for everybody. This is just not for everybody, but this aligns with your trading strategy and this won't fit. Everybody has his own schedules and daily schedules, and how they want to approach the market. So if this is for you, you can just go on and practice and practice and practice and practice, and you will get it. Definitely it's a working strategy, a good strategy. It helps reduce noise and just simplifies things. I like very simple, very simple. Like my strategy is very simple. Don't need to stress much. That's why I like my thing doing. So let's dive into this now. Like I said before, this is the Heikin Smoothed. If you don't have the Heikin Smoothed, you can just go on to your Google, type Heikin Smoothed, you download it and put it on your MT4 or MT5. You have the MT5 version, but this is MT4. So we're using MT4, but you cannot use this on your MT4 mobile version. So if you want to be using Heikin, you can as well you use it or set it up on your trading view. And this is Heikin too. You can also download it, but some brokers, I think some brokers comes with the Heikin. I don't know, but you can actually download the Heikin and the Heikin Smoothed. Let me see the settings for this, because I don't think there's a setting for it. Input. This is the settings I use for it. This is the settings. Then the Heikin. There's no settings for the Heikin, just the color range. Okay, now let's dive into this. How the strategy works. So you move on to the 1 hour time frame. As you can see, let me zoom in. So let me zoom in. You can see this red candle. The red candle signifies the bullish candle, the bearish candle. Sorry, the red candle on the Heikin ashi signifies the bearish trend of the market. The market is a bearish trend. While the red candle for the smooth Heikin ashi also signifies bearish trend. You understand that? The blue, the midnight blue for the Heikin ashi simplifies the bullish trend, while the green for the Heikin ashi smoothed signifies the bullish trend also. So why do I go with this? I'll just come to the 1 hour time frame. You can do this on the simple. You can do it on the lower time frame. You can do it on the 1 hour time frame. You can just use it as a crossover strategy. But if you want to use this as a crossover strategy, you should be ready to really lower your risk ratio and ensure that you create room for drawdowns. You understand? You create room for drawdowns. You have to create room for drawdowns. So if you want to just use it as a crossover strategy, like you can see from here, when the Heikin ashi is showing a bearish form and the Heikin ashi smooth is also showing a bearish move, as you can see, market dropped down. Same thing here, it shows the bullish, and the Heikin ashi smooth is showing the bullish. You can see both here. You can see it drops down here when both change. You can just use it as a crossover strategy. You understand? You can use it as a crossover strategy. You can see here we have this one, we have this little one, we have this one here, and we have this one here. We also have this. It's a very nice, but I don't do it this way. To be honest with you, I don't do it. What I do, like this on the 30 minutes. You can do it on some 30 minutes. You want to do a crossover strategy, you do it on the 30 minutes. You understand? So this is go to the 1 hour. I use my 9-2. When there is a red, when both indicators are showing a bearish move on the 1 hour time frame, this candle got to this edge here. This is where it closed. This region here, this is where it closed. So I mark it on the 1 hour, and what do? I go to the 15 or the 5 minutes. The 15 or the 5 minutes. As you can see, you should always calculate the 1 hour candle. What? The 15 minutes, how many 15 minutes candle makes up the 1 hour candle? You have 1 and 2. That's 4 candles makes up the 1 hour candle on the 15 minutes time frame. As you can see, this is where the 1 hour candle closed, like I said. So what do we do? I do this. I go to the 15 minutes. When I use this strategy, I go to the 15 minutes. I go to the 5 minutes. I go to the 5 minutes and look for an entry. What kind of motion am I looking to? What kind of move? Am I looking for? I'm looking for a push to the upside in the 5 minutes, then a reversal. You understand? This is what I'm talking about. Let me zoom in. Sorry for this. I'm not connected to the internet right now. So I'm looking for a push. This for the for the Heikin ashi smoothed to give me a bullish, then change its trend to the bearish trend, to the overall 1 hour trend. You understand? So this is what I'm looking for. This is where I get to sell from. This region here. I don't know why it keeps moving. Well, okay. This region here is where I get to sell from. That's that on that. Let's look for another example. Go to the 1 hour time frame. As you can see here, we have the green, the smoothed Heikin ashi, giving us a bullish move, and the Heikin ashi is also giving us a bullish move. So we place our 2 here, our vertical line. Place our vertical line here. Then we go to either the 15 minutes or the 5 minutes. Like me, most of the time, I personally, when I was using this strategy, I do it on the 5 minutes. But to get a clearer view, let's just do this on the 5. If you check 15 minutes, you can see there's a 15 minutes. Let's go on the 5, because why I use the 5 minutes? Because the 5 minutes kind of like give me a quick move. So you can see we have this move to the downside, then we pushed up to the upside. This way I would have likely entered, and we have this quality almost 20 pips here, 20 pips. You understand? So that's it. But if you want to use it as a crossover strategy, it's still wonderful. It's still wonderful. Like I got this here, something here. I go to the 5 minutes. So I go to the 5 minutes time frame and look for a push to the upside. We had this here, would have sold here. Let's see what the risk is. Would have sold here 21 pips, almost 21 pips, but would have caught 40 pips or so. So that is that sometimes you might just hit your stop loss, because for the USD pairs I use 10 to 15 pips as my stop loss, then 20 30 pips as my take profits, depends on how the market move. But if we had used the 15 minutes time frame push over, you can see here we had this. I wouldn't have taken this. This is just one candle. I would have expected to do like 3-4 candles, bullish candle. But you can see here, if we had followed the 15 minutes, like I tell you guys, we use the 15 minutes or the 5 minutes. You know, if I followed the 15 minutes, we would have entered at this position here. We have caught over 40 to 30, 40 pips. I don't wait for this GB USD. I don't wait for 50 pips. I get to 30 to 40 pips and I'm out in the market. That's how I trade the pair. So yeah, we have another one here. This is just, I'm just going to be using JPSG as an example. So we have this one. We have the bullish on both indicators. So go to the 15 minutes or the 5 minutes time frame to look for an entry, to look for a push. We didn't have any here this point, so we look for the 15 minutes. To be honest with you, this is way too far. It's way too far. You're giving me a signal. If we have entered here, would have hit stop loss. It's okay. There's no 100% signal on any strategy. 100% strategy Forex. So and that's just for that, bro. If you feel me, if you want to learn more, I'm just giving you the basic of this thing, but there's a lot to it. You can also use the crossover on the 30 minutes. If you want to use a crossover, use the crossover of the 30 minutes. You can see there's so many trades sample there. But one thing I will let you to know is if price, you know, push like this trade right now. Look at this on the 30 minutes time frame. This is different. We traders have dynamics, a different way of approaching the market and entering the market. Like this, you see this long candle. This happened on Friday. On Friday, this happened. This has to do with NFP. I guess the NFP happened and had this long push like this right now. I will not be looking for trades on this pair. I will not be looking for trades on this pair. I will not be looking for trades on this pair because this push with this strategy, this push is too much. It gives me it gives market so many space to get to, you know, hit so many stop loss, and you know what I'm talking about. This push is too long. But you can see something like this. When you have something like this, not too long, you can, you know, manage your risk, and price will definitely give you you know, and profits. Like you can see at this point too, this shows green and it shows green. But if we have entered here, you put stop loss, market would have hit your stop loss. But when it changed to this, when it changed to the other side, you would have covered up your stop loss. You covered up your loss and make some profit too. So that is just for that. It's just, you know, why I'm giving this strategy out is for those who just want to manage it and just make little things of the market. It can give you as much as you want, but if you're very careful, if you understand it, if you really want to use this strategy, you can contact me at gracevilleforex@gmail.com. We can talk. I can, you know, put you through on how to, you know, use this strategy efficiently so that you can profitably too. You can make profit out of it. That is that for that. just always, I need feedback from you. It's encouraged me to drop videos like this for you more. There's a lot of it. There's a lot of 7 years of, you know, trading in financial market. I've come across mountains and valleys. So these are one of them. This is just one of them. This is just one of them. I don't use this strategy currently, but I feel like for those who are still, still looking for something, this might be your breakthrough point for the forex trading market. So that's why I'm bringing this to you. If this suits you, fine, use it. If it doesn't suit you, you can always chat me up and say, okay, this is kind of life I'm living. This is my schedule. Like, is there a strategy you can get for me? Something like, that suits my daily life. I say, okay, if I have one, I'll let you know. And you also can contact me if you don't know anything about forex trading. You want to know something about forex trading, you want to learn what to get educated on forex trading, I can put you through. You can hit me up. I can fix tutorials for you forex trading. So thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're not following me, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Encourage me to produce more and create more videos like this. I'm just helping the community. There's a lot going on, and people need to really make ends meet, and this might really put someone out of poverty and help them grow. So that's that for that. Thank you guys. Subscribe, share, and like, comment, say things, give up honest opinions on anything. And before you do this, people will just watch a strategy on YouTube and boom, they go live. And no. What you do is look at the strategy and trade it on a demo account for 2 weeks minimum. 2 weeks daily, day by day. Trade this account 2 weeks. You understand? You feel me? Trade it daily 2 weeks. That's just it, guys. Give 2 weeks, trade it day, then you see the result. Always record your trading so that you see the result. You say, oh, let me see how many percent I made. Am I making profit? Did I make profit? Like, so for example, how I do mine, probably get a $10,000 account or a $1,000 account demo. Talk about demo right now. Get a $1,000 account. Then I'll use a particular reasonable lot size that I'm going to use throughout the practice period. If I'm going to use a standard lot, one lot, I'm going to use that one lot all through. Then I'm going to take trades with my strategy, no emotions. I'm going to trade like a robot. Once I see the trade, I take it. I set my stop loss. If I'm going to be using 15 pips stop loss, I'm going to put 15 pips stop loss anytime I take the trade. And if I'm going to take a TP of 30 pips, I'm going to put 30 pips every time I take a trade. So that will help me, calculate the risk, the profitability of that strategy. For 2 weeks, I'm going to record everything down, the stop loss and the TP, what happened, and I'll look at it for 2-3 weeks. I'll say, okay, this is really good, this is really nice. I can use my live account with this strategy. So that is that for guys. This is financial advice. Just give it to you. You can take it, you can leave it. I'm not an expert financial advisor, but I'm just giving my honest opinion about everything, So that's that for that, guys. Please subscribe. I want to see you subscribe. I want to see you share. Stay blessed, bro.